I mean, just last week we had 2 days where the campus was closed, but the services that my organization provides was not closed. In fact, we were in high gear to fill in gaps where staff may not have been able to get in. So my staff was able to not worry about travel. We all communicate using Skype or Jabber. So once our team was basically in the same state we were, whether we were on campus or off. We were talking to each other, we were handling problems, monitoring systems, taking phone calls as if we were sitting at our desks, and it worked out very well.